Your home is your castle, but in 2017, Trina Martin, her son Gabe, who was 7 at the time, and her partner, Toy Cleat, had that sense of security shattered by a flash bomb grenade that signaled the start of an FBI raid.
It was late morning, I'll say between 4:35 in the morning. I was asleep, and all of a sudden I hear a lot of banging, bang, bang, bang.
I was asleep. The bang was so loud and so abrupt. I just remember landing on my feet out of the bed. It startled me.
Toy grabbed Trina and brought her to shelter in a closet where he armed himself, while Gabe cowered beneath his blanket in another bedroom, but there was no hiding place.
It was like 2 guns pointed in my face at like one time. So I was just really nervous. That was my main focus. Like, I didn't want to get killed. That, my safety came first at that moment.
So they pulled me out of the closet, walked me through the bathroom, and then they threw me on the floor in the bedroom. I remember being on the floor, and I'm looking up to see what's going on, and I see a bunch of automatic weapons pointed at me, and I'm like, oh man.
Trina, Toy, and Gabe had no idea why they'd been targeted. Then, as quickly as it began, the nightmare was over.
They said we're moving down the road.
So when they realized they had the wrong house, it was no remorse. It was just like, everybody rally up and let's just go to the right house.
The encounter left the family traumatized.
We found ourselves looking out of the windows a lot after the raid. Again, we're just trying to see things before it happened. We felt unsafe. We were going to see a lot of therapists.
In the wake of the Wrong House raid, the trio tried to sue the government for compensation under the Federal Tort Claims Act. However, the case was dismissed on the grounds that the agents had sovereign immunity, meaning they couldn't be held liable for their actions while doing their official duty. The case is now headed to the Supreme Court.
They shouldn't get away with this, and we shouldn't be dismissed, and it shouldn't be swept underneath the carpet. So that's what made me file a lawsuit.